Why is everyone buying this Rhythm Fun 2-in-1 treadmill / walking pad? Well, here's the thing. Most people are going to be using it for walking, for under the desk work, which I'll show you in a second. But this thing goes up to, what is it, 6.7? 6.7, 6.8 miles per hour. You can legit run on this thing. You're never going to get an actual running treadmill for this kind of value. These things are always 2-4 times more, like easily, for getting a treadmill that you can actually run on. It's got a really good base too. I mean, you're not going to have to worry about, if you look at the base, it's got some rubber pads. It stays really stable, and for the fact that you're running, it's relatively quiet for what that does. You can operate it. You can operate it from the remote. You can also fully operate it from here. Now, what we're going to do is show you the walking pad vibe. And what we do here is we unscrew it on both sides. And then pop it out, bring it down. All right. So before I show you this, the number one reason that this is selling right now, the number one reason why everyone's buying this on Amazon is because everyone's buying it on Amazon. This thing has over 1,300 4.5 to 5-star reviews, many of them written reviews after the fact talking about how amazing it was. That's the reason my brother and I decided to buy this one. We did some product research, found that this was the right treadmill for us. We wanted to be able to run, also wanted to be able to walk. So the fact that everyone else is buying it and they're pleased with it, that lets me know everything I need to know usually. So we'll go ahead and start it up. Now, in the walk mode, you're going to get a max of, what is it, 3.7 to 3.8. Now, we're in kilometers right now, but just so you know, 6 kilometers per hour is about 3.7, 3.8. Just wanted to show you that's where it runs at. Now, what else you're going to see here is you're going to see time. You're also going to see on the right side, you're going to see calorie burn as well as distance. It'll flash between that on the right side. So that's what you're seeing there. Again, we're operating this fully from the remote. This thing's extremely easy to use. It's got a really good look to it. The other thing is it's very easy to move. So you got wheels on the front. I would say lightweight. This is extremely lightweight for the fact that you can actually run on this and it feels stable. Very sturdy base. Tons of people are buying it. That's why I bought it. That's why you're buying it.